Most developers never talk about losses because admitting them would expose how broken the entire system is. Here's what builders tell their investors during their glossy presentations. They promise premium quality construction, German technology, and world class finish. They show beautiful 3D renderings and guarantee returns that sound too good to be true. Then reality hits the construction site. The concrete mix gets contaminated because workers don't follow proper ratios. Steel reinforcement gets placed incorrectly because supervisors are managing 5 different sites simultaneously. Foundation work starts during monsoon season because project timelines can't wait for weather. Take a typical residential project in Gurgaon. The developer promises earthquake resistant RCC construction. 6 months after families move in, hairline cracks appear on the bedroom walls. Within 2 years, water seepage damages the electrical systems. The concrete hasn't cured properly because construction teams rush the process to meet unrealistic deadlines. Each apartment now needs repair worth 2 lakh rupees. Multiply that by 200 apartments and the developer faces a 4 crore rupee nightmare. These aren't just isolated incidents. Rework expenses consume 12 to 15% of the total project costs across India. Legal battles with angry homebuyers add another 8 to 10%. Compensation payments for defective work drain another 5 to 7%. Insurance claims for structural failures pile on additional costs. Meanwhile, the developer's reputation gets destroyed on social media and on property forums. The human factor makes everything worse. Site supervisors manage multiple projects because trained personnel costs more money. Workers learn construction techniques from other workers, not from proper training programs. Quality control happens through visual inspection instead of scientific testing. Concrete testing labs get paid to pass substandard materials because rejecting them would delay projects further.